Welcome back. Here is Kiss Electric with Skills USA here in Hot Springs, Arkansas at the Convention Center. And let me tell you, if you don't understand or know what Skills is, so I'm going to read it off to you what they have on Google, okay? Skills USA is a United States career and technical student organization serving more than 400,000 high school and college and middle school students and professional members enrolled in training programs in trade, technical, and skilled service occupations, including health occupations. So inside, they're going to have a lot of inspired students come in and try different technical fields in automotive and carpentry and welding and diesel mechanics. So we're going to go in and get a sneak peek behind the scenes of the setup and what they're doing. And tomorrow is they're going to have where all the students are going to come, but today we're going to get a behind the scenes and see everything before they get here. So let's go. Okay, first we're going to start here with the diesel mechanics. They have mini track hose, they have big rigs, diesels in here. They have displays and stuff set up so aspiring diesel mechanics can troubleshoot relays, stuff like that. Come on, let's go with me. We got others to look at. They got an automotive department. They even brought brand new cars out here, put a fault on them, and let these students give it a try. They got big 500 horsepower motors here. They also got relays and other test equipment here. They got motors set up for them, trying to um, diagnose problems. It's really great if you're looking to be in the automotive um, career. Let me tell you, these guys out here are going to do everything they can to help anybody that is looking to pursue a career in this. And if you look over here, we have Westco Skills USA welding department. This is just a small department. I think they're just doing small welding here, and they got another one down on the other end of another welding. Either the welding department has grown exponentially, or they've got two different parts with welding of aluminum and metal and all kinds of different types of metals that they're gonna do. And let's come on, we got more to look at. Okay, along with the automotive department, you have painting and fabrication of automobiles. And you know as well as I do, as if you live in Arkansas, deer run out in front of your car all the time. So these guys are needed in the fields to fix cars all the time because not everybody can go out and buy a brand new car. But if you're interested in this field and you're a young, aspiring young man looking to get into this, man, this is a great place to start. And behind us over here, boom, carpentry. Now, carpentry needs a big area. They have a lot of participants this year, and they've got all these 2x4s and some plywood laid out in these little, I guess, each section for each one of these guys. Then what they'll do is they'll stand up a couple of walls in here, possibly build a top to it. That's going to all happen tomorrow, but the stations are set up today for them. And tomorrow, all the students will be here and all the people that want to do carpentry, which is a great field because let me tell you something, I'm an electrician and I can't do any electrical work until my framing gets done. So kudos to the framers. Let's go to the next one. One of my favorites, electrical. As you know, we have stations. Come on with me. Let me show you the stations that they got set up for the electrical department. Now, here are some tasks for some students that want to try to test their skills in electrical. They have panels, 4 square boxes, keyless in there, nail-ons, GFIs, receptacles, and switches, and a little bit of conduit. They'll place it up on this board in a specific configuration, pull wire, terminate. If they get done, they usually have a job when they get done with this. Not just kidding. You can get a job anywhere if you're looking for electrical job. I'll tell you what, there are people hiring all over the place. Now, right beside the electrical department, we got bricklaying. Look, this is a skill that is for tough guys. I'm going to be honest with you. You got to pick up bricks and sand and mortar all day long. You're going to be tough. So for the bricklayers, kudos to you guys, man. You guys do a great job. We appreciate you guys that put up this brick for us all the time. And if you're looking to be a bricklayer, it's a good place to start. All right, let's move on to the next one. Now, right beside on the other side of the electrical, we have plumbing over here, and the plumber's going to have to do a specific task. They're going to have to put all their plumbing parts together through the walls and even solder some copper pipe for ventilation and for water to go in the copper pipe. Of course, I'm not much of a plumber, so I don't know all the technical slang for it. But this is a nice training center for them to start if they were looking at being a plumber. Come on down. We got you right here. We got you right here. And then last but not least, I tell you what, you can't live without these guys. These are great guys in my book, the HVAC guys. I tell you what, you try to sleep in Arkansas summer heat with no AC, you are gonna be sweating. And I hate to sweat while I'm trying to sleep. So anyway, here in Hot Springs, they're gonna have an HVAC setup for you guys and let you try to figure out how to either install or repair and understand the ins and outs of HVAC equipment. Okay, so I said last but not least, but on the HVAC, but there was one more over here tucked away, a hidden gem, cabinet making. For those of you, I'm sorry, that don't know about cabinet making, this is some of the best tradesmen in the world with their precision on cabinet making. These guys are going to come in and give us a show on how to assemble drawers and cabinets. If you don't understand how much some of this stuff costs and getting custom cabinets put in your house, I can assure you, my friend, this is a skill you could learn today here in Hot Springs, Arkansas.